Once the registration window is open for the upcoming term, you will need to review courses and sections that you have planned and then actually register for those sections. To start the review and registration process, first log in and navigate to the Student Planning homepage. From the homepage, select the Plan and Schedule option from the drop-down menu, or click the Plan Your Degree and Register for Classes tile. The Schedule view displays a weekly calendar by term. Verify the view is displaying the current term and, if necessary, move between terms using the side arrows. For historical terms, registered or completed courses will display as green. For the upcoming term and other future terms, planned courses will display as yellow. Online courses will display at the bottom of the schedule. Sections that have been planned are those where you have previously selected a specific class location and time that best fits within your schedule. Planned sections will display on the schedule in the appropriate time slot as well as in the list of all planned classes located on the left-hand side of the page. If you need to select a different location and/or time for a section, you can do so in the list of all planned classes. Simply locate the course that needs to be changed and click on View Other Sections. Scroll through the available sections offered for the course. Notice this action results in all available sections displaying on your schedule to better help you select what will fit with your other selected sections. Once you have located a section that you'd like to attend, click on that section either in the left-hand listing or within the schedule display. Then click Add Section. Remember that if you already had this class on your schedule, but for a different location and time, you must delete that occurrence from your schedule or it will have listed it twice. If you have planned a course without selecting a specific location and time, that course will not be displayed on the day-by-day schedule view. Courses without a specific location or time selected are listed on the left-hand side of the page with the other planned sections. To select the specific section that you would like to attend for the planned course, simply locate the course in the list displayed on the left and select View Other Sections. Scroll through the available sections offered for the course. Notice this action results in all available sections displaying on your schedule to better help you select what will fit within your other selected sections. Once you have located a section that you'd like to attend, click on that section either in the left-hand listing or within the schedule display, then click Add Section. Once classes have been fully planned with a specific location or time selected, each of those sections will display with the day-to-day schedule, and any online courses will display at the bottom of the schedule. If your planned schedule looks accurate, you are now ready to register. The registration period must be open in order to register. For current term registration dates, please refer to the All College Calendar, www.southeast.edu/calendar. Further information on registering can be found in the How to Register tutorial.